In this video, we're going to talk about how can you boost your earnings from Facebook ads on Reels program. I'm going to share with you 5 different tricks you can use to make more money from Facebook using this monetization feature, ads on Reels. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this video. All right, now let's jump into this, the ads on Reels program. So you can see so far this page last 28 days made $125. Not a lot of income, but how can you boost it? What are some of the things that I've seen in the past that boosted it? First of all, how do you access this monetization feature? So it's really simple. On your page, this is my page, you can click on view tools. Basically, we want to go to professional dashboard. So another way is to click on this icon at the bottom and then click on professional dashboard, and you'll get to the same place. On professional dashboard, scroll all the way down and you are going to see a feature or an option or a tool called monetization here. And now here all the ways your page or your professional profile is making income or money, you will see that listed here. And you can see this page is making income from 3 different programs: ads on Reels, bonuses, and in-stream ads. Let's talk about ads on Reels. Click here and now you'll be able to see all the details, how much money you made in last 28 days. Now, here is the tactic, tip, hack number 1, whatever you want to call it. It's analyzing the data. So when you go to this, you see right here, I can see recent Reels. Click on see all. This is really important. When you are posting content consistently and it's making money, go to your data here and see. So for example, this Reel, why did it make $46 compared to $19, $15, $31? Like, what's the reason? And boom, look at this. So why does this Reel made $23? So that's like 200% more than other Reels. So pay attention to what type of content that is. You use music or not, and actually what type of music. We're going to talk about music in a second. Also, what's the length? Is there anything specific you did in the first 2 seconds? So make note of all of those things. For example, one of the things I look at is how long the video is, and also am I showing my face, or sometimes I'm not showing. So this Reel right here, I'm not showing my face. So it looks like not showing my face is doing well, making me more money. All right, that was tip number 1. Tip number 2, it's about using music. So here's the thing. I love music. I use music on TikTok, Instagram, sometimes YouTube, but Facebook Reels, if you want to make more money from ads on Reels, do not use music. Do not use any songs. For example, look at this. I was invited into the licensed music with ads on Reels. I can click on try it now, but I want to have nothing to do with the music on ads on Reels. The reason is because you get so many copyright strikes, and it actually does not make sense to me why, and I did not want to mess with it. So I would suggest, because a lot of times you're using music and Facebook will by mistake take you down or take the Reel down or stop monetizing it, and then when you appeal you might be able to get it back, but why go through the risk? So from my observation, from my testing, original audio, or you can use sounds, and I'll play some sounds for you, but just not the songs or the music. So for example, I'm going to play some of these and you'll hear these are like viral sounds, viral audios on TikTok, Instagram, or actually on Facebook too. You can use things like this. So for example,
that's good. Okay, that's good.
That's one.
Oh my.
So that's my own audio in the background.
Oh my god, what is that?
Here's another viral audio. This is another viral audio from the social medias.
Go figure. Look at that. Oh, look at
Here's
that.
another one. So I'm using sounds, but I'm just not using music, and that's what I would suggest. All right, tactic number 3 is do collaborations. So if I go back here,
Good.
let me mute this. Notice at the, let's see if you're able to see this or not. Let me scroll down. You might not be able to see it here, but actually right here. So posted by Ali. Let me see if I go to the Reels tab, and if you're able to see it there, because there are 2, I'm doing collaboration. There are 2 authors or 2 people on this Reel. So let's see if you're able to see this here or not once it plays it. And the benefit of that is you're not able to see this here. But I'll show you how to actually do this, and you might be able to see it on the desktop. So let me, while I talk, I'll try to bring up the desktop page, and you might be able to see this tagging, this collaboration on desktop much better. All right, so, but how do you do it? And actually my desktop page is up. Let's bring it right here. See that video? The two authors, this page, I social you, and then also this is my personal profile. So to boost your earnings, to boost your views, do collaborations with other people in your niche, especially if they have bigger audience. You can reach out to them. You can do, hey, you collaborate for me and I'll collaborate for you. You can do stuff like that. So look at this reel, there's no collaboration, so there's only one author. But if we go back or further down, this reel, two authors, I social you, and then my personal profile. So in this case, I'm doing a collaboration between my Facebook page and my personal profile, but you can do collaboration between any Facebook pages, profiles, other people, partners, stuff like that. Now, how do you do it? It's really simple. Let me actually turn off the volume. When you do the reel, so let's pretend I'm creating a new reel. Here's my reels camera. I am gonna record something really quickly because I want to show you the collaboration feature. When you're done, by the way, you could also upload something because I want to show you the collaboration feature. Record something really. Now let's hit next. You could hear my own audio. Now here is the option, invite collaborator. This is where you want to click and then enter, search by name, or you can put the URL of the page. So for example, if I want to tag my personal profile, I'll just search that, click, and now I'll share this. So you can do this on existing recorded or past recorded reels, or the one that you're creating on the go, on the fly. Before you share, just click here, invite, and then invite other people. And like I said, it gives you, the reason this is awesome, the reason I like this is because you're able to tap into two different audiences, right? It puts two authors, your reels get pushed in front of two different audiences, and that's the benefit. That's why you can have more views and also more money. Now, tip number 4 and 5, I believe, they're really, really simple and basic. So I'm not going to spend too much time, but engage. So once you get comments, make sure you engage with those comments, and ideally ask them questions, get them to engage with you back. So for example, I think, let's see what happened here. So this is actually really, really recent, but I want to give you an example. Here, look at this. So I'm just asking a question back to this person. So engage with the audience that you have or the comments that you get. That's tip number 4. And number 5 is, again, very simple. Here you go. Look at this. So I'm engaging back and trying to ask a question, hoping that the person engages with me back, because that can start an engagement circle, an engagement loop, and more views for you. And the last one is, again, it's a boring one. The last 2, engagement, and then the consistency. Nothing works without consistency. If you want to make more money with ads and reels on Facebook, stay consistent. Any question about ads and reels or monetization on Facebook, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.